In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for generating stories, a step-by-step guide. We'll start by just shaping the voice of your workspace, so the AI writes like a thoughtful storyteller, not a formula machine. Head to the bottom left corner of your main screen and click your profile picture, then open Settings. In the Personalization panel, go into Custom Instructions. In the Output Preference box, spell out the tone you want. For example, avoid uninspired cliches, unnecessary exposition, and repetitive sentence structures. Focus heavily on subtext, sensory imagery, and varied pacing. This baseline sets expectations for every reply, helping the model lean into sophisticated craft choices and keep its suggestions anchored in storytelling best practices. You can refine these parameters later as your project evolves. Next, route your creative tasks to the engine tier that fits the moment. At the top header, open the Model Selection dropdown. Keep Instant selected when you need speed, brainstorming character names, sketching object descriptions, or pulling quick synonym lists. Switch to the Thinking tier when you're architecting the whole machine, maintaining continuity, juggling non-linear timelines, balancing subplots, and tracking character arcs. Think of it as choosing between rapid idea generation and deep structural reasoning. Before drafting anything, prime the system to collaborate. Skip vague prompts like, write a fantasy story about a dragon. Instead, press Shift plus Enter to compose a multi-part setup. Act as an elite multi-genre author, veteran fiction editor, and principal narrative designer. I want to build a highly engaging, structurally sound story framework. Before you write any chapters or scenes, ask me 3 highly targeted questions one by one regarding my intended genre subversion choices, my protagonist's primary internal flaw, and the central thematic conflict of my world, so we can architecture this perfectly. Answer each question as it appears to lock in your creative direction. Once alignment is clear, move your planning out of the chat log and into a clean workspace. Type Canvas. Create a structured story planning ledger based on our parameters. Format this document into an organized layout table, mapping out chapter/scene number, location and atmosphere vector, active character objectives, core plot progression beat, and underlying dramatic subtext. Your screen splits, prompts on the left, a live editable story canvas on the right. With the canvas open, refine directly on the page. Highlight a row, action block, or line of dialogue, then click the comment bubble that appears. Add a clear instruction, like, this sequence is relying too much on conversational filler. Rewrite to show, don't tell. Emphasize the cold, oppressive silence, a small nervous habit, and subtext-driven tension. Use the reading level slider in the lower right to toggle between lean, fast-paced prose and richer literary density. Finally, verify details and export. In the chat input tray, click the globe icon to run a quick fact check, such as researching architectural or lighting specifics for your setting. When everything holds, go to the Canvas header and click Export by Download to save as a Word document, Markdown file, or PDF. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.